Hey guys, welcome to week 3. Fantastic job on your week 2 posts is exactly what I was looking for. This week we have 2 assignments. The first, you're going to go out and build in Canvas again. The second assignment, you're going to choose the Canvas class of one of the other people in ID 5030, and you'll go in there and start participating in some of their activities. And then you're going to reflect on that experience and make a post in our class in Moodle, which is assignment 2. And so just a note that when you're participating in the Canvas courses, it doesn't have to be extremely serious. For example, you don't have to complete the entire learning activity, or if you're making an introductory post, you could make up a name and just make something up completely. The idea is for you to get to see and experience a class from a student point of view. That helps you think about your own class. It helps provide feedback that's very difficult for the builder of a course to get otherwise. When we build a course, we don't have the student view as much as we want to. We're still the person that built the course. And it may give you some fresh ideas for your own class. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.